Hello. Today we're going to do an unpacking of oh, the Rebisco Choco. Okay, a little history here. Rebisco means Republic of Biscuit Corporation. Now, how did I know that? It's actually in the back. Yeah, Republic of Biscuit Corporation. And the meaning of Choco, I think you already know. They just removed the late there. So everything here would be simplified, contracted, and then put together. Rebisco Choco, Republic of Biscuit Corporation, chocolate. This is actually quite new. Not really. Yeah, but it's not as old as the butter. I think the first flavor for Rebisco would be a Rebisco sandwich would be for would be the butter one. This is the Choco, so this is kind of like 2.0. But it has been here since I was young, since I was yeah. So we're gonna unpack it so that we would know. But as you already know, before we unpack something, we would look at the nutrition facts. Nutrition facts because we are here not only to unpack things, but we are here to see if something is healthy or not. There you go. Nutrition facts would be there, but for me, that is quite small. So let me get my magnifying glass. Okay. We go with total calories. Total calories would be 160. Oh my, that would be like 6%. Calories from fat would be 70. Okay, so calories from fat, meaning not all calories come from fat. Total fat would be 8 grams. Saturated fat would be 4 grams. Trans fat would be 0 grams. Wow. You know what trans fat is? Trans fat would be like they were not fat before, but they decided to become fat. So they underwent some physical change. They become trans fat. No, whatever. Okay, and then we have cholesterol would be 1 milligram. Not bad, 1 milligram, right? Uh, Sodium would be 19 milligram. That would be 20%. I don't know if that is good for the body, the sodium part. That's kind of the salt part, right? Uh, Total carbohydrates would be 20 grams. Dietary fiber would be more than 1 gram. That was 3%. So it's cool. I think the Rebisco sandwich, the biscuit is really good for the fiber thing. But this is a sandwich, so there's something in between. There's a filling in between. Sugar would be 6 grams. Yes, there should be some sugar here, but it would be a plural sugar. So it'd be like sugars. Oh, I don't need to show it. It's over there. Sugars, because it would be probably like a powder sugar or brown sugar or white sugar. It's kinds of sugar. Protein would be 2 grams. Calcium would be 40 milligrams, more than 2%. That's good. Iron, 1 milligram. Yep. Expiry date, there's an expiration date that you can see here, but oh, yes. Expiration date is right there. I don't know if you can see that, yes, but it is going to expire November 2nd, November 22nd this year. And that's it. So this comes from Republic of Biscuit Corporation. Republic Biscuit Corporation is a product of the Philippines, which is really good. Yes, buy something that is Philippine made because you're going to help the economy of the Philippines. This there's no DOH logo, not like the Moby. Oh man, this is not so nutritious because the Moby that we had before that was recommended by DOH. Okay, there goes for the outside, the logo, the name, the barcode if you want to check the price. Anyway, we're going to open it. There's no tear here again, not like the other product. So, but there will be ridges. So I guess it would be okay for us to tear here. This is what I really like, I guess. When you tear that part, the ridges part, then it opens very easily. So what you have inside would be 3 biscuits. Okay, there are 3 biscuits. The holes would be, I remember it would be like 32 holes. Somebody counted it. Somebody had a lot of time, counted it. Okay, the 3 biscuits and then choco filling. That's why we call it sandwich because, okay, sandwiches have some fillings inside. Oh, there are 3 ways for you to eat this. First, you just eat it this way. Quite crunchy. A little bit salty because of the sodium content, but quite crunchy. I didn't get to taste the filling because it was just the outside. So you can do it that way. It will lessen the mess because everything would just be falling in the plastic itself. The second one would be for you to divide each biscuit. So you would be removing each biscuit like this, and then you'll be eating the whole biscuit. Right. But for my style, I would crack it because there would be some line in the biscuit, and you cut it that way. So you get 3, and then you just get parts of it. Okay. This is my style, but it's so messy. See? It just fell. Okay. We're going to do a test. When you separate them, the middle part is actually the best because it gets fillings on both sides, but this one is just one part. But you don't want to be greedy. Okay, so crunchy, huh? Good, chocolatey, good. Okay, it's delicious. The thing is, when you're eating it, I think you really need some water because it's so dry. So dry. You'd probably die choking. So you need water with this or some Coke would be nice. But overall, very delicious. I think the chocolate taste does not overpower the biscuit, which is really a nice thing. And I finished the whole packet, and really, it's it's good for the stomach already. So you have one of these for each time you're hungry, and then that would be good. Okay.